Hey everyone, this is Awesome Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Now I'd like to show you how to use the latest post block in FluentCRM. This handy feature is designed to help you automatically showcase your most recent content. It could be your blog post, pages, or product or events like this, and then directly in your email campaign. Today I'll walk you through what the latest post block is and its benefit, and how to use it to keep your subscriber engaged by sharing the latest update from your website. So let's dive in. Now, let me show you what it does. Now, imagine that. So you're going to be updating all the content. So this is, let's say, meetup event page here. So you're going to be updating content here. And here's a listing page here, right? And let's say you want to put all the content on your newsletter, monthly newsletter, to inform your client, your audience. Now, if you're using the third-party platforms such as MailChimp or Constant Contact, you have to copy and paste the content. But with Fluent CRM, you can do this automatically because it's built in a WordPress website. So let me show you. So you can use the latest block on your email. So you can build newsletter like this. So just adding the latest post here. Okay, so let me show you how I did it. Okay. Now, first you have to go to plugin and install. It's called Fluent CRM. And this is free CRM. You can upgrade to paid pro version, right? So I already installed and activated. Now, then you can see this Fluent CRM on the left side. And then let's go to email campaign here. And I'm going to create a new campaign. So I'm going to use meetup events winter update, something like that. Okay. And then let's create that. And you can create a lots of template here. Okay. Well, maybe canvas. I'm not going to explain, but there's a visual builder. This is awesome too. Now, so I'm going to just use this is simple box here today. And then here you can hit the plus button. And I'm going to first put the image here. You can just upload or go to media. And I have some logo I can upload too, like that. Okay, so I'm just put the little logo here. All right, so and I'm going to just bring some headings. And let's see, I'm going to just write that. And I'm going to change to heading 1, so you can change it. Okay. And then next one is I'm going to just bring some text here. A paragraph, I think. Okay, so I'm going to just bring that here. And I'm going to just copy whatever we write. All right. And now, so I'd like to add some update from the event, or whatever content you update on your website. All right. So now we see here, latest block. You can just drag and drop right here. Now, so then you have to, on the right-hand side, so you can pick which post. And I have event. So this can be any, you can use pages or any custom post type. So I have events as a custom post type, and I pick that. So it's kind of generate. All right. Now you can change by order, newest to oldest. That makes sense. And then post from last days. And I'm going to show maybe 5 posts, 5 latest one. And you can change a layout too, different kind of layout like that. And then so I like maybe like this. Yeah, that's kind of nice too. And you can hide image if you want, and show image, and then show meta, right? And hide meta. Unfortunately, you cannot use custom meta at this point, right? So and the show button, right? So you can click read more, and you can just say, you can just register today because this is event, okay? And then so you can change the excerpt length too. Maybe I get to do a 35, maybe shorter. And right here, you can easily customize colors too. Depends on your brand. Make it kind of bluish, right? So maybe bottom color could be something. Oh, that's kind of a little bit ugly. Maybe same same here. Okay, but you got idea, right? All right, so you can probably add some space, I think. Oh yeah, spacer. You can just bring it here. If you want to have some spacing here. Okay, and I think I can duplicate that. Okay, and then just bring it to give some space here. Okay. Now, so let's save here and then continue. Okay. And then so you can continue and send it. But I'm going to just send it to myself. Okay, and then hit send. Okay. All right, so now I received this email. Nice template is really quick, and you can click it and takes you to the single page of the event single page here, and you can add the registration form directly to the web page. Yeah, I think that the big advantage is you can build everything within the one site. So you can create a registration form, in this case using Fluent Form, and then integrate with the CRM. So you can easily put the client data or the registered information right into Fluent CRM, and you can keep engaging your audience. So this is Fluent CRM. You can start with the free version, and if you want to upgrade to Pro, it's only $129 a year. Now actually it's the Black Friday sales. It's significantly cheap here. So this will not only saving your time, and also you can save money as well if you're using MailChimp or Constant Contact, those are third-party platform. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and then see you next time.